Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily fix your iPhone's unresponsive screen. Don't forget, friends, to subscribe to the channel and also be sure to put your likes under the video and please write your comments. So let us get down to our topic. And the first thing you can try to do is to start by checking your iPhone screen and also your protective glass. If your iPhone screen is not responding, you can check the protective glass first. If you have it, or maybe remove it completely, because it happens that because of the protective glass, there are problems with the touch screen, and it may not respond if the glass is not suitable for you or it is very thick. Also, please check your screen for any new bumps and so on. Because of this, you may also have problems and the screen may not respond. If you are okay with this, then friends, I recommend you to force reset your iPhone. To do this, you will need to press the volume up button, and then press and hold the down button, and then press and hold the off button. Now I'm going to show you how this works. So, increase sound, decrease sound, and press the off button. You'll get a screen like this. But since the touch screen won't respond to you, you won't be able to swipe this button. You'll have to keep holding the off button and keep your finger on it. That way you can, friends, turn off your iPhone. And after this reboot, the unresponsive iPhone screen should be fixed by now. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also friends, put your likes. See you soon.